Okay, it finally happened. All right. It's yours truly, David Squeezanic. You're right here for Cruising with the Case Handler, a show that is on personal injury law with the #1 personal injury attorney in the United States, dubbed by yours truly, Squeeze, and many broadcasters on 93.5 WVIP FM in the tri-state area. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get right down to business. Let's get right into it. This man has settled well over $140 million for his clients. And we are very thankful for him being in the community, helping out people. So don't be fooled by the billboards. Don't be fooled by top of the hour attorneys. Don't be fooled by, of course, people handing you business cards that they've seen of the accident. Don't be fooled at all. Make sure you go with the case handler because you've got only one chance and just one choice. There's only one case handler. What can I say? Adam Handler. Welcome to your show on Facebook, YouTube. Also, of course, ladies and gentlemen, at 93.5 WVIP FM and quite a few other radio stations. Wagwan, Adam.
Good morning, Squeeze. Good morning to you, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, my name is Adam Handler. I'm your case handler, the longest running, most celebrated attorney on this radio station. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Got a lot to talk about. Want to play some testimonials, of course. We had a great show yesterday. I don't know who was tuning in, but we had a client, Paul, on the other line, a true life testimony, kind of letting everybody out there know how his experience was with my firm, how his experience was with my practice, how his experience was with the case handler. Often imitated, never duplicated. Ladies and gentlemen, we are here to let you know who I am, what I do, and how I do it. And come on, man. I mean, I've been on this radio station since September of 2005. Either you're just immigrating to the New York area and you're hearing us for the first time, or you know exactly whose voice you're hearing because I've represented you, your brother, your sister, your spouse, your cousin, your uncle, your church member, your neighbor, even your children. And I do it with great pride because I understand completely that you only got one shot to get it right. There are no redos for personal injury, ladies and gentlemen. So don't be fooled. Make sure that you understand who exactly you are hiring to take advantage of that one and only shot at financial justice. And if your attorney's name isn't Adam Handler, I think by now it's been well established you got the wrong attorney. So with that being said, Squeeze, I'd like to recap a little bit about Paul's case yesterday.
Please do.
Testimonials, give out the phone number, and of course, extend that formal invitation for all of you folks to join my community on social media, join the case handler, see what we're doing, and link me up. Instagram, case handler, Facebook, case handler. Of course, just Google me, Google the case handler, check out my reviews. It's 5 stars. That's perfect. That's perfect, right? Squeeze 5 stars?
Yes, 5 stars is perfect.
So 5 stars. Okay. All right. Listen, nothing in life is perfect, and I'm not saying I'm perfect, but my Google platform is absolutely perfect. And it's not 3 people, 2 of them being my grandmother, leaving these reviews. It's dozens and dozens and dozens of people that I've helped over the decades of secure millions and millions and millions of dollars. Squeeze. So give out that number a couple of times. I'll load up our Testimonial Tuesday yesterday, and we'll get this party started.
Absolutely, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, welcome to Cruising with the Case Handler. That is the name of the show. The attorney's name is Adam Handler. We call him the Case Handler, and his phone number is 844-774-3529. That's 844-774-3529. By now, everyone is realizing that the only attorney that they should be calling, reaching out to after they've sought medical emergency is Adam Handler, ladies and gentlemen. On 93.5 FM, he's the man, the most contiguous, the most consistent attorney when it comes to personal injury. So don't be fooled by people telling you this and telling you that. He is the man, okay? 17 years strong. And he has proven himself. He has shown what it is that he can do for our people. The number, once again, 844-774-3529. Yes, please, I ask of you, dial the number now. Let it ring 15, 20 seconds. This way, we know you're storing the number. We got your back. That's the reason why Adam Handler, Matt Goodstein, and the entire team is taking care of you. Let's go to, of course, a true success story with the attorney, Adam Handler, with the case handler, with the shark, with the beast, because that's how he will execute and operate when he's in court fighting for you, or when he's over the phone, or whether it's through paperwork or whatever it is that he does best with the insurance companies. Let's go for the juggler, Adam. What do you got for me today with a true success story, man?
Yeah, so we'll highlight, of course, Paul. That was yesterday's Testimonial Tuesday. And I really do love doing this because it really is, I think, the best way for you to understand how we conduct our business here at Pollock Isaac DeSico, how the case handler team handles its cases, and more importantly, handles its clients. You know, we have at this point, it's hundreds of photographs of people that have come to me with a car accident case or a construction accident case or a slip and fall and trip and fall. And, you know, they've had a successful result, and they're more than willing not only to take a picture with me, but also to leave a Google review or leave a testimony on an audio message that we can play. And I think that's really one of several differences between myself and other individuals out there that claim to be, you know, solid personal injury attorneys, is that, you know, attorneys are great advocates, especially for themselves. And they're telling you how good they are and telling you, you know, that you should use them. But the difference here, Squeeze, is that I'm not only telling you how good I am, I'm showing you how great we are. And I'm showing you how great we are through true life testimonials, people that are not being paid, right, by lawyers or law firms to endorse the practice. You hear, don't be fooled, ladies and gentlemen, or I shouldn't say fooled. Don't be mistaken. Squeeze and I have a business relationship in that, you know, I have to help pay for airtime that we're broadcasting on. Now, the difference between myself and Squeeze is that we truly believe in each other and we are friends, and we wouldn't endorse each other if we didn't have full faith that we were putting out the best possible product. But ladies and gentlemen, don't be mistaken. If you hear other individuals promoting other law firms, they are being compensated for that. Just like an athlete would be compensated for wearing a certain sneaker or a certain color or driving a certain car. The individuals that we highlighted on this show, Squeeze, are people that are not being compensated. And I'm not saying to discredit people that are being compensated, because hopefully they're endorsing things that they truly, from the bottom of their heart, believe are the best.
Absolutely.
I'm not so sure that's always the case, but all things being equal, I would go with those individuals that have absolutely no incentive to endorse a product, a person, or a professional other than their severe gratitude towards the situation. And Paul is certainly one of those people. Paul was in an accident in Westport. It was a really bad accident. We got him the most money we could, $50,000 policy. It was a $50,000 insurance
Hold
policy.
on a second. 1 second.
Yeah.
1 second. You said he was in an accident in Westport. Is that
Yeah.
in Connecticut?
Well, he's from Yonkers, but yes, it was in Connecticut. Yep.
No, you don't. You're not an attorney that do cases in Connecticut.
That is correct. That is correct. He is a New York resident, so we were able to help him out there. He is from Yonkers, and we did get him the maximum policy limit. Squeeze, if you wouldn't mind. And just so you know, there are attorneys in my office that are licensed to practice in Connecticut. Okay. So we do have the authority to process those claims. I personally am not barred in Connecticut, so I wouldn't necessarily try a case in Connecticut. Right. But our firm can certainly handle Connecticut cases. In fact, our firm handles cases all over the country. You know that, especially with the immigration. Could you read that quote for me, Squeeze?
Absolutely. So here's the quote from Paul, okay, for Adam and his team. Okay. Stop.
Sorry.
Dude. Can you scroll back up, man?
Sorry.
Thank you, man. This dude, man. I could not ask for better lawyers. They're really good people to work with. From the first day I walked in until this day that I'm picking up my check, I am still happy with them. They did such a wonderful job, and I love what they do. Thank you, Matthew and Adam. $50,000 settlement. And there's a picture of the two white guys and the black guy in the middle with a big fat check of $50,000. This is what makes me feel good about getting on the radio every day. That's what I love.
We recorded some of his testimony. I'll play that right now. Squeeze, also check out Ruthie's text message with respect to Facebook. Hey, check this out.
Well, today's March 24th, 2002. My case has been settled. I just picked up my check from Adam Sanders Law Firm, and my lawyer was Matthew.
I'm going to pause that for a second. I love that people, and it's you know, it's a common mistake. They call me Adam Sandler. You know, Yeah. I mean, my name is Adam S. Handler, ESQ, of course, but it's Adam's. You know, so many clients say Adam Sandler. I get mail for Adam Sandler, and my birthday's on Christmas, Squeeze.
Right,
so
right,
when
right.
you're looking at my ID, when I'm at a bar and they're checking out my ID, they're either making a comment about the name or they're making a comment about the birthday. So it's Adam Handler, but check it out.
Goodstein, such a great guy. I appreciate his work. I love what he do. You represent me from the beginning to the end. I love it. I couldn't ask for anyone better. And I love what they do. They do such a really, really good job. I appreciate it a lot. And I'm happy with my check. I'm happy with his work. And they law firm what they do. I would recommend them to every and anyone. They do such a wonderful job. I really, really love it. And they're really good people to work with. From the first day I walk in, I was happy with him. Until this day, when I pick up my check, I'm still happy with him. I would recommend him to every and anyone that going through this situation and need help. They are really good lawyers, and I love what they do. I really appreciate what they do from the bottom of my heart. And it makes me happy with their work. They did such a wonderful job. Appreciate it a lot. Thanks you, Matthew.
Yeah, that's the real deal right there, man. Paul, $50,000, and I'm looking at these other. Testimonials we have.
Give me one more. Give me one more before we wrap up, Adam.
Sure, of course. Yeah. How about
one
this?
more audio?
Yep.
And everybody, while Adam is putting up that audio, I want everyone out there. Listen, don't take our word for it. Go to the website, thecasehandler.com. Go to the Instagram page, The Case Handler. Go to Facebook. Go to YouTube. Ruth has done such a wonderful job in putting a collage of everything that's happening with Adam and his team. They are great people. Don't take our word for it. Look up the 5 stars on Google. Just Google The Case Handler and see what happened. Here's one with Patrice for $100,000. Do you have a audio on that, or you have a different audio?
I got you.
All right, here we go.
So today is March 3rd. No, today's March 16th, 2022. I'm at Adam Andler's law firm. I'm here to pick up my check. They did such a great job with, with my case. So, everything is settled. Everything was straightforward. I would recommend them to anyone. I'm so grateful for them. And I thank them from the bottom of my heart that, they took my case. They were there and they did a good job. So I appreciate it very much. Thank you, guys, and all the best. And I will definitely send anyone who needs some help to you. Alrighty. Thanks.
See, that's what I'm talking about, man. Ladies and gentlemen, I am David Squeezaniki, President and CEO of the Link Up Media Group of Companies. I do endorse Adam Handler 100%. All right. And let me tell you something. As Adam noted earlier, yeah, there's a commercial side to this, but genuinely, we love what we do. And we know for a fact that these people are getting some real, true help. Here's a case for $1.5 million. Adam Handler, the case handler, is my guy. He did a lot for me. This is Ian from Long Island. So don't take our word for it. Call the number 844-774-3529. That's 844-PPIDLAW. Prior results do not guarantee similar outcome, but Adam is your man because you've got only one chance, one choice, and there's only one case handler. And much respect to what's on the screen on your Facebook page and your YouTube page. Jack, confidential settlement. That means enough money. All right. 844-774-3529. Adam, thank you so much for doing what it is that you do best, man. I'm very, very happy that you're helping so many communities, your community, my community, all communities. We love you, my brother. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Squeeze. I really do appreciate your endorsement. And of course, I won't let you down, brother.
Thank you so much. And thanks to the entire team, Matthew Goodstein, everybody, Ruthie, Sandra, everybody, Ali, Zenmar. Thanks for getting the message out that there's only one attorney that you should be calling on this station, off this station, around the nation. And that's Adam Handler. 844-774-3529. Ladies and gentlemen, have yourself an amazing
beep, beep, beep.